If you thought the DJI Mini 4 Pro was the peak of compact drones, get ready, because the DJI Mini 5 Pro has arrived and it is already making waves. This is not just a small upgrade, it feels like DJI has taken everything we loved about the Mini 4 Pro and boosted it to a whole new level. The body is sleeker, the technology inside is smarter, and it still manages to keep its weight under the 249-gram limit. That detail alone makes it perfect for hobbyists and creators who want freedom without extra rules. What makes this drone exciting is not only the design, but also the fact that it looks polished and ready. These are not early-stage leaks or half-built models. These are clear shots of a real retail unit fully dressed and ready to fly, and when you look at it closely, you can tell DJI has worked on almost every detail from smarter sensors to a new camera system. So this is not just another release, it is shaping up to be the Mini that redefines what a small drone can do. The DJI Mini 5 Pro brings an upgraded design that feels both familiar and new. At first glance, it still keeps the compact and foldable body we expect from the Mini series, but when you hold it and look closer, you see smarter engineering at work, the lines are cleaner, the structure looks sturdier, and everything feels like it has a purpose. This is not just about style, it is about making a drone that performs better in every way. One of the biggest changes comes from the new LiDAR sensor on the front. This is not just a little safety feature, it is a big step forward for navigation and obstacle avoidance. Because LiDAR can work in dim light fog or wide open areas without detail, it helps the drone stay steady even when conditions are not ideal. So instead of worrying about losing control in poor light, you can trust the Mini 5 Pro to keep flying smoothly. And this means you can focus more on framing your shots and less on avoiding accidents. Propeller changes might sound small, but they make a big difference. The Mini 4 Pro had one-time screws that made changing blades a bit of a hassle. DJI has listened to feedback and introduced a simple tap and twist system for the Mini 5 Pro. Now swapping props feels as easy as switching batteries in a remote. You do not need extra tools or extra patience. This makes maintenance quick and flying less stressful. Another detail that has caught attention is a new button on the top of the drone. The current idea is that it is a quick power-on switch that works even without the controller connected. That means you can power the drone instantly and get it airborne faster. Imagine spotting a perfect sunset or a bird in flight. With this feature, you could launch right away instead of fumbling with setups, but the camera is truly the highlight of the Mini 5 Pro. The 1-inch sensor is a huge upgrade for a drone. This small, it captures detail beautifully and works especially well in low light. Flying at night or filming in dim conditions becomes much easier. Shots of city skylines at night look crisp and full of life. Daytime footage comes out sharp and vibrant. The Mini 5 Pro can also shoot 4K at 120 frames per second. So your slow motion looks smooth and cinematic. Add in true vertical shooting and you are instantly ready for TikTok, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts with no awkward cropping. The gimbal rotation is another standout feature because it tilts up to 225 degrees. This opens up entirely new angles and makes creative shots possible, even in tight spots. Portability is still a core part of the Mini series, and DJI has not lost sight of that. Folded up, the Mini 5 Pro fits right in your hand, or a small bag, so it is always ready to travel with you. That makes it the kind of drone you bring everywhere instead of leaving at home. Whether you are on a hike, a road trip, or just exploring a park, you will not think twice about packing it. Battery life has also improved, with up to 36 minutes of flight time on a single charge. You can stay in the air longer and capture more shots before needing to land. And based on past models, there might be an extended battery option for even more flight time. Less stress over battery warnings means more freedom to create the shots you want. Tracking features are another strong point. The Mini 5 Pro comes with full obstacle sensing in every direction, so it can follow subjects like runners, cyclists, skateboarders, or even pets without losing focus. This is not just a basic follow mode, it feels like the drone is actively staying with you. The footage looks steady, professional, and smooth, perfect for action shots without the worry of sudden crashes. The balance DJI has achieved. Here is impressive. It has power and professional level features, but still remains light and portable. It is simple enough for beginners, yet advanced enough for serious creators. This dual identity makes the Mini 5 Pro stand out in a crowded market. When you look at everything it offers, it really feels like DJI managed to squeeze a professional drone into a palm-sized body. In short, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is more than just another step in the Mini line. It is a leap that combines power, portability, and creativity in one small frame. The DJI Mini 5 Pro shows us that compact does not mean limited. It has a 1-inch sensor that delivers stunning footage, a smarter design with better obstacle sensing and more flight time to keep you in the air longer. And all of this still comes in a lightweight frame that fits in your hand. That balance of small size and big performance is what makes this drone stand out from the rest. It is also proof that DJI listens to users. They fixed the propeller system, they improved navigation, and they added features that make flying quicker and easier. So every upgrade feels meaningful and focused on the experience. This is not just about flying a drone, it is about making creative work feel simple and fun. And while the Mini 5 Pro takes the spotlight, there is even more to look forward to from DJI. Rumors of new models like the Neo 2 are already stirring interest, so the future of compact drones is looking exciting. Here at Factic, we will keep sharing updates, reviews, and news, so if you want to stay ahead in the drone world, stick with us. The DJI Mini 5 Pro could be the defining drone of this year, and the real question is, how will you use it to tell your story? Because with power and portability this good, possibilities are endless.